Hello everyone. Today we are going to perform an experiment whose aim is to find resistance of a given wire using meter bridge. Apparatus required. To perform this experiment, we require following apparatus. These are meter bridge, battery alternator, galvanometer, resistance box, a one-way key, resistance wire, connecting wires, sandpaper. Working formula. The meter bridge works on the principle of Wheatstone bridge, and the working formula is x by r equal to L by 100 minus L, and on solving this equation we get x equal to r is divided here, okay, and it will go there and it will multiply the whole of this fraction, and we get x equal to r into L by 100 minus L, where x is what? X is the unknown resistance whose value is to be calculated, which is our main aim, which is we have mentioned here. Okay, R is the known resistance, L is the balancing length. The circuit diagram for the experiment is as shown in figure. Here we can see that here is the battery eliminator and rheostat is connected over here, which is not required in our experiment. Okay, this is one way key and this set you know very well, it is meter bridge. This is the this is the unknown resistance and this is the resistance box. Okay, this is the jockey which is connected through the point B, okay, with the help of a galvanometer. Now let's see our connection also. This is our battery eliminator, okay, and it is connected through this point, just like this circuit. The wire coming out from here is connected through this point. Okay, the wire coming out from this is joined to this point. Okay, now a resistance box is connected in this gap. And the second gap we are connecting the wire whose resistance is to be calculated. This is the constant wire. Now from the midpoint we have connected the jockey through the galvanometer and the minus, see here, the minus point of the battery eliminator is connected to this point, through one-way key. Okay, now we are going to perform our experiment and we will learn how to take reading. First of all, we switch on the circuit here and switch on the battery eliminator and switch on the key also. Now you can see that we are applying 4 volt from the battery eliminator. Okay, first of all we will check whether our circuit is correct or not. Okay, or for this we will touch the jockey at the left side and you will see that the deflection in the galvanometer is towards the left side. Okay, similarly we will touch the wire of the meter bridge on the right side and again we will see that the deflection is towards right side. It means our connection is right. Now our main aim is to find the unknown resistance. Okay, and for this we have to calculate we have to calculate the value of balancing length. Balancing length is the length of this wire, ठीक है, where we will get the null point, and null point is the point where the deflection in the galvanometer will be 0. Okay, now we have applied the 2 ohm resistance from the resistance box, and now we are going to find the balancing length. See, we have obtained the balancing length, null deflection in the galvanometer, ठीक है, the needle is on 0. Now we will calculate what is the correct value of the balancing length, and this seems to be 81.1 centimeter. Okay, similarly we will apply different values of resistance from the resistance box, and corresponding we will find the balancing length, and finally we get our observation table like this. To conserve our time and to make the process much simpler, we have already completed the observation table. See here, the resistance box has offered the resistance 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 4 ohm and 5 ohm, ठीक है, and balancing length corresponding to this applied resistance from the resistance box, we get 71, 75 centimeter, 77, 79, 68, and from this we can calculate 100 minus L and the working formula x equal to 100 minus L by L into R, and using this formula we can find the corresponding values of unknown resistance. We have got total 5 unknown resistance, I mean to say 5 different values of the unknown resistance. Finally we calculate the mean. Of all the values we have got from our observation, and finally we get our final result. ठीक है, अगर आप लोगों को कुछ भी अगर प्रॉब्लम होता है समझने में तो आप पर्सनली जो है सो हमसे बात कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.